Hi buddies, this is Eileen, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can switch 5G on and off, because maybe the 5G network is not yet available in your area or you did not include it into your mobile phone contract. So you can easily switch it off, because if you have it on, it has a big impact on your battery life, and also it's not necessary to have it on all the time, because it will always search for 5G networks even if you don't have the access to it, and that's not necessary. So we are switching to our settings, get on mobile service and to mobile data options. There we have voice and data, so we click on it and we have 5G auto, so it always searches for it. We can switch it on or switch to LTE, and for me to have LTE is enough, it's fast enough, and I don't need to have 5G on all the time. Now we can just close it, and if you want to switch it on again, it's just as easy. Back to mobile service, mobile data options, click on it and go back to 5G on or auto. So it's very quick and easy to change network settings. So this was it on how you can switch 5G on and off on your new iPhone 15. I hope this video was helpful for you and you liked it. If you do so, give us a thumbs up, follow this channel, and see us next time. Bye!